Hello everyone. We present to you our Hello Harvest project prototype under the theme of supply chain for the Google Cloud Fest Hackathon-1. Hello Harvest, a product designed to deliver and support Indian farmers and customers to ensure that their supply needs are met correctly, well within the time frame, and also the quality of the goods provided is exceptional. We have defined our product in such a way that the middleman is removed and the maximum profit is directly credited to the farmers or producers. A local community is overseen and managed by the local governing authority to ensure every farmer in the community will be provided with the ability to cultivate and deliver their goods, which can be sold well within the community or with large scale organizations and hotel chains. So that presents us to the question, why? Why Hello Harvest? The Indian supply chain structure that is currently being implemented is really not beneficial to the farmers, even though they are the key to the entire process. As per the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, the average return that a farmer gets for his or her product is less than 25%. The sole reason behind this is the presence of a middleman or a structure that acts as an agent between the source and the market. This also directly influences the price fluctuation of the goods. To have a more detailed explanation, let's look at a case study. The case study we are currently looking at is of tomato cultivation project per acre, and let us get into the full details of the farming expenses, incomes and returns from 1 acre of cultivation. The total duration of tomato cultivation is from 110 to 140 days, and a farmer can generate an average of 110, that's 10,000 kilograms of tomato per acre. From the research, we were able to identify that the total production cost is about 30,000 rupees, ranging from seed purchase and to the cost of harvesting. A middleman or buyer buys a total ton of the product, that is for 15 per kilogram, that is a total of 1.5 lakhs for the entire product, making the farmer get a profit of 1,20,000 by subtracting the total production cost, which was 30,000. And the middleman sells it for 65 per kilogram as per today's market rate. So the whole 6.4 lakhs, say taxes, transportation, storage, costume and extra 2 lakhs in total, his total profit would be around 2 to 3 lakhs. So we propose a system where this 2 to 3 lakhs of extra profit can be directly credited to the source, producer or farmer. Let's take a look at the workflow diagram to get a better understanding of how Hello Harvest works. A customer portal, aka Hello Customer Dashboard. The Hello Customer Dashboard has two screens, one for the regular users who shop in small amounts like groceries for a week or so for basic homely needs, and a second screen where large organizations can actually post an order 2 to 3 months back for freshly farmed items that they needs to be cultivated in the coming business months, so that the only amount of items that are needed are farmed by the farmers. Basically, supply on demand is a system that we are using and not the other way around. This method ensures organizations can buy products as fresh as they can and also will help price control to a certain extent. Next, we can check the Hello Farmer dashboard. The Hello Farmer dashboard also has two screens. First one where farmer can sell the products in small amount, which can be posted in the Hello Farmer marketplace directly by the farmer, which is purchased by regular customers. This is correlated to the first screen we saw in the Hello Customer portal. The second screen is where an admin, who basically is a person from the local organization formed by the farmer locally, who has the privilege to view and accept the bulk orders placed by organizations which are placed in advance, so that the admin can accept or reject it after consulting with a group of farmers and divide the order among the farmers who cultivate the same products or give it to a farmer who has the capability to deliver the said order. Let's not get confused by the flow and go ahead and check out the demo. Hello Harvest is a single-step solution that has been designed to remove the intermediary between the producer and the market. Therefore, the producer gets the required profit and the consumer can buy at the lowest possible price point. This enables growth in local market and also helps in local community to motivate to consider farming as a profession as well. Hence, the consumers can buy fresh products as well. The prototype is designed in such a way that users can buy small amount of goods for daily use as well as they can buy large orders in advance as per need be. Now let us go ahead and check the sign up and login pages for the application. We have provided multiple login options which are unique to the functionality for which Hello Harvest is used. We have separate sign up and login options for farmers or producers, which are the source, farmer admins who have special privileges, and the customers. We can sign up using giving the basic details such as name, the location in which the user is based in, email ID, password, and the farm's name. Now let's go to the farmer portal in Hello Harvest. This is a Hello Farmer portal. Once we sign in, we are greeted with a user-friendly and pleasant farmer dashboard, which at first glance contains the detailed reports from previous orders, most sold goods, highest gaining seller, and all related information. Let's check the bulk order request page in Hello Farmer. The bulk order request page for the farmer is actually the essence of this prototype. This is intended to provide a large quantity of goods to the organization or large chain of hotels, etc. So what happens here is whenever a user or customer posts an order from a bulk quantity of item, say such as 30 kilograms of a carrot for example, the order request appears in the bulk order page, and this order can either be accepted or rejected by the farmer account, which has an admin privilege. Admin privilege is added because there might be cases where multiple farmers need to work together to provide the requested amount. So this will be governed by a local association of the farmers, and they can decide unanimously and accept the order after discussion. The order request, once accepted, will be notified to the customer who made the order. Since the contact details of the farmer and customer are available, they can negotiate on the offered budget and the time frame if needed. The functionality enables to remove the middleman in the Indian agriculture supply chain, and the farmers and producers are directly involved in the market. Hence, the profit is going to the farmers, and the consumers can get farm fresh products shipped directly to them without needing to go to the middleman and paying extra commission. As said earlier, an offline group of farmers can be formed in the locality so that in case of any natural mishaps, if one farmer is not able to deliver the goods, the other one can. Now let's check the inventory page. Inventory page is where farmer can add the amount of products that they will be able to produce in a single harvest and how much they have now, so that the admins can forecast the supply and deliver bulk order or sell directly in the shop page, which we will see in a few minutes in the customer portal. This hereby ensures the demand or supply is currently met. Now let us check the profile page. The profile page is where we can see the farmer details like name, contact, item produced, previous sales, and also contains a list of farmers in the organization formed locality well within the community as well. Now let's take a look at the Hello Customer portal. We can sign in using the customer details, which we have provided during the sign up option. Once logged into the Hello Customer portal, we are welcomed with a user-friendly customer dashboard, where we have the details of the previous orders and purchases the user has made, and also a to-do list which we thought of incorporating so that the users can add short notes on calculations on what to buy, etc. Let's check the shop page now. In the shop page, we can see a category of items available. They are just for short quantity farm items, say not more than 10 kilos, which can be transported easily and faster well within the locality in which they are cultivated or produced. The aim of shops is to let customers buy fresh and good quality products from their neighborhood so that they will get it delivered fast, and can also help grow local economy and can be a part of price control as well. Items can be added to the cart and can be shopped from there directly, which at this point of time is a work in progress feature due to the limited time frame that was available. Now let us take a look at the bulk order page. The bulk order page is intended to be used by large organizations or users who are hosting large events or even small to big scale hotels and restaurant chains. The users or organizations can pre-book the required orders that they need in advance of say 2 months with the item they require, the quantity, and their planning budget and an estimated delivery date. The request is then posted in our application, which also appears in the bulk order request page in Hello Farmer portal, which we saw recently in the Farmer portal, so that the farmer can accept the order from there and hence accept or reject request based on that. We also provided options for the organizations to provide their contacts, because if the farmer needs to negotiate the offered budget, they do. Now let's take a look at the profile page of the customer with the contact details. Moving on, we can see the future scope of this product. The local market section can be integrated with the location API and an ML model to ensure local products can be sold well within the locality. Once organizations start buying directly from farmers, they can use it as a marketing strategy for their organization as well. Possibility for ads and direct tourism tie-ups like farm visits and such. Let's take a look at the system architecture. Initially, we enable the Cloud Source Repositories API and the App Engine Admin API. The code from the GitHub is then cloned to the Cloud Source repositories. We need to have an app.yaml file which is used for deploying the Hello Harvest website code to the App Engine. After the deployment, we can directly browse the app which we have created as a non-production server, which was basically used for testing. After the initial testing, enable the Compute Engine API, then created a LAMP stack instance with the desired VM configuration for backend services. For the front end, we use JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and core PHP for the backend. And the database is configured in MySQL. Thus, by using a GCP LAMP stack module, we were able to achieve the backend services and we were able to get the app up and running with database with much lower time and efforts thanks to the resources from Google Cloud. So as we can see, this project is extremely scalable and leaves open a huge space for innovation, including ML for cultivation prediction, weather forecasting, and demand of product prediction to the ability to design and develop a local delivery system from the root, which can be extensively used to increase the amount of jobs that can be provided and the profit again be split across the working class. We are proudly presenting Hello Harvest before the Cloud Fest Hackathon-1. Thank you Hacakthon and Google for giving us this amazing opportunity for us to come up with and build this amazing prototype. Thank you to Google Cloud for all the awesome resources. We believe we will be able to contribute to the society a lot more given today's technological advancements. Hoping our project Hello Harvest adds value to the society someday in the future. Once again, we are the Team Inevitables and thank you.